Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Stabila Level Set is probably one of the most important tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson. Ensuring surfaces are perfectly level is critical for everything from hanging pictures to building a house. In this video, we're diving deep into the Stabila Level Set, exploring its features, build quality, and why it might be the perfect leveling solution for your needs. Number 5. Stabila 37816 48-inch and 16-inch aluminum box beam level set. This level set is made in Germany, ensuring top-notch quality and craftsmanship. It's designed for accuracy and durability, making it a reliable tool for any project. The level features spring steel hairline indicators for precise readings. These indicators provide clear and accurate measurements, helping you achieve perfect alignment every time. The package weight is only 3.7 pounds, making it easy to handle and transport. Its lightweight design doesn't compromise on sturdiness, offering both convenience and reliability. This set is constructed with durable aluminum box beams. This ensures the tool can withstand the rigors of the job site and provide long-lasting performance. This set includes both a 48-inch and a 16-inch level, providing versatility for various tasks. It's a complete leveling solution, suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What we like. This level set features spring steel hairline indicators for precise readings. Manufactured in Germany, it guarantees quality and durability. If you are looking for a reliable level set for general use, this one is a great choice. What people say. They are well constructed and accurate. Another point where the Stabila levels really are better is their solid construction. The rugged vials are mounted to the box frame exceptionally well. The machined edge allows lines to be accurately drawn on the wall. The removable caps are a nice feature for getting tight to corners. I also like having the vial visible from the front and the top. Number 4. Stabila 37532 Jamber 78-inch and 32-inch level set. Introducing the Stabila Jamber Level Set. This set is designed for professionals. It's perfect for ensuring accuracy in your projects. This level set is ideal for test and measurement tasks. It's manufactured in Germany, guaranteeing quality and precision. This set includes 2 professional-grade levels. They are specifically designed for door installation contractors, ensuring accurate results every time. The set includes a 78-inch level for door frames and a 32-inch level for headers, sills, and thresholds. This provides versatility for various applications. The levels feature a light, strong, and wide aluminum frame. They also include removable rubber caps and oversized rubber handholds for comfortable use. Each level has clear vials with spring steel hairline indicators. This ensures accurate readings and makes the job easier. What we like. This set is specifically designed for door installation contractors, offering professional-grade accuracy. It comes with clear vials for easy reading. If you are a professional door installer, this set will make your job easier. What people say. These are great levels. Solid, easy to use and robust. Professional grade is the best way to describe them. Both levels are extremely useful for more jobs than you think. Beautiful finishing, accurate, bubble level tube highly visible from all angles. Number 3. Stabila 96M Magnetic Level Set Kit. Introducing the Stabila 96M Magnetic Level Set. This set includes a 48-inch level, a 24-inch level, and a torpedo level, all with strong magnetic capabilities. It's designed to make your leveling tasks easier and more accurate. These levels feature rare earth magnets for hands-free operation. This allows you to focus on your work without the hassle of holding the level in place. The magnets are flush-mounted for a smooth surface. Stabila levels are engineered and manufactured in Germany, ensuring high quality and precision. They are built to last and provide accurate measurements for the life of the tool. You can trust its reliability. The levels have shock-absorbing end caps to prevent slipping and can be removed to carry lines into corners. The electrostatic enamel finish is baked on tough and easy to clean with water and a brush. This ensures the tool's longevity. The Stabila 96M levels are guaranteed to be accurate for life. This level set is a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It's a valuable addition to any toolbox. What we like. This level set features magnetic levels for hands-free operation. The shock-absorbing end caps and electrostatic enamel finish add to its durability. If you often work alone and need a level that can stay in place, you should choose this one. What people say. Work well and the case makes it easy to store everything. Magnets very strong. High quality equipment. Strong magnets. I only use these for finish work, but they could easily, and effectively, be used in all job site conditions. The zipper bag is awesome. The torpedo level feels heavy and strong. Accuracy, durability, lightweight, and easy to read. Number 2. Stabila 48296 Mason Kit. This kit includes everything you need for accurate masonry work. It features levels designed to withstand the rigors of the job site, ensuring precision with every use. The levels have a tough aluminum frame and patented strike zones. These features protect it from the repeated hits of a trowel, making it a reliable tool for any project. Reinforcing ribs on the frame provide added strength and grip. This design ensures that it can handle tough conditions, giving you confidence in its durability. The shock-absorbing, removable end caps protect the frame. This feature safeguards it against drops and falls, extending its lifespan and maintaining its accuracy. Stabila's VIL installation technology delivers best-in-class reliability. The measuring accuracy will not exceed 132 inch over 72 inches, ensuring precise measurements every time. The torpedo level features an extra-strong rare earth magnet system. This shake-proof system leaves your hands free when aligning and positioning your work. What we like. Designed for masonry work, this kit includes strike zones to withstand repeated hits. The rare earth magnet system provides hands-free operation. If you are a mason, this level set is built to withstand the rigors of your work. What people say. Love the durability and value for the money Stabila brings. These are lightweight, good quality, durable, and are accurate. Very stiff, sturdy, solid levels. Number 1. Stabila Type 196 Classic 6 Level Set and Case. This is the Stabila Type 196 Classic 6 Level Set. It comes with levels in various lengths, including 16, 24, 32, 48, and 78 inches, and a torpedo level. This set is designed for professional use. The levels are built with a heavy-duty, stable, and non-slip aluminum profile. This ensures durability and accuracy on any job site. You can rely on it for years to come. It features integrated wall grips, providing a firm seat during marking. This design makes your work easier and more precise. The grips help to keep it in place. Stabila's locked vials technology guarantees long-term accuracy. The measuring accuracy is plus or minus 132 inch. It ensures that your measurements are always precise. The set comes with a durable Stabila 6-level case for easy storage and transport. This case protects the levels and keeps them organized. It is a complete solution for your leveling needs. What we like. This set includes multiple lengths for various tasks, with integrated wall grips for secure placement. Stabila installation technology ensures long-term accuracy. If you like having a comprehensive set with a variety of sizes, this is the one for you. What people say. Nobody makes a level like Stabila. They are accurate, easy to read, durable, and made to last. The design of the carrying case makes it so functional. They've been bouncing around in different trucks for years, dropped plenty of times and still dead on accurate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.